Hi guys, welcome to a new video. In this video, I will talk about what is a CRM, how it works, and how it helps your business reach goals. Well, a CRM is a customer relationship management tool. If you are running a business, struggling to stay on the top of leads, clients, and follow-ups, you can think of it like a assistant. It reminds you who to follow up with, where a deal is stuck, and what to do next all in one place. So let's talk CRM, guys. Today I'm choosing Odoo CRM. It's basically very simple. You can simply see that here is discussion, calendar, contacts, dashboard, apps, and settings. I won't deep dive into everything, but I will show you how can you follow up a particular lead and store them and add tasks, the simple kind of a thing of what a CRM is. Guys, whether you are a solopreneur or running a company, CRM is really important for you. Let's say you work in a B2B industry and you have met 3 clients today. How will you remember if you have met them or not, and when to follow? To do that, you need to create a contact, set up preferences, set a task to follow. Let me show you how to do that. To create a contact, you have to click on contacts, click on new. Let's say it's an individual you have met. Let's say the client name is John M. And that you have to type the email of that client. Let's say john@gmail.com. Whatever the phone number it will be of that particular client. What company works John works in? As you are a B2B business. Let's say John works in ABC company. Let's create that particular company. What is the company address of John? Let's say he is in M Street, and whatever the road is, Balal Road, and city you can choose any city. Let's choose Mumbai. It's a dummy contact I'm creating, so you don't have to look at that. Let's say choose anything. It's Japan, Hokkaido, whatever it is. What position John works in? He's the CEO of the company. If there is a taxation part, whether the GST or taxation, you can type it here. You can write the website of John's company. Let's say www.abc.com. You can create a tag here to tag them, whether it's a B2B business, consulting business, what kind of business John in. You can create here. I won't dive deep into it. I'm just giving a reference of how to create a contact and so on. So you can, these are the tabs. You can write notes saying you have met John, he wants some email services. So John, let me write it, John wants email services. It helps you remember what kind of conversation you had with John. Let's check it here, guys. Here you will see the activity. Is the activity you can follow up. See, it's very important, you guys, to follow up, right? So to follow up with the lead, let's set the task to follow up. When you should follow up, let's say, mm, let's follow up with him after 2 days. Let's follow up with him on Monday. Choose Monday, log note, follow up with John about email services, and save. No thanks. So yeah, see, the follow up has been created. The CRM will remind you to follow up with John in 2 days. It helps you not to forget when to follow up, as it is really crucial for your business. You can connect your company email in order to send a message to John directly from the CRM. Let's move on to the next step, guys. Guys, you have to update after every interaction you have with that particular. If you do not do that, the CRM becomes useless. Forgetting to set follow-ups, how will you use that, right? The sole purpose of a CRM is to set follow-up, write notes, so that you won't forget what kind of conversation you have with that particular. So now let's check some other features. Let's go back. Let's check what is a deal pipeline. A deal pipeline is a stages. There are different stages you can see: cold lead, warm lead, meeting scheduled, meeting missed, and what. After a cold lead is a cold lead, basically he doesn't know about your services. A warm lead is a stage where he's shown some sort of interest in your services. A meeting scheduled is definitely meeting scheduled. Meeting missed is definitely the meeting is not missed by that particular lead. And the lead one, I haven't set up the entire CRM properly, so you won't see the all the stages. Here are the different kind of views. It's a list view, it's a calendar view, some sort of when did you met that particularly. There are different types of, this is a spreadsheet view. And here you can see the activity, whether you have email, to-dos, meetings, and if you have attached any sort of document. So the deal stages is not rocket science. You can understand it by simply looking into it. Let's go and check the dashboard. The dashboard has many stuff. It's a consolidated data of your organization, average deal size, revenue, and so on. Let's check the pipeline. Pipeline has closed leads, open opportunities, and everything. You can check by simply looking at the data of whatever it is happening in your organization. Uh, Let me say one thing: a CRM doesn't grow your business, but it makes sure you don't lose any sort of opportunities you already have in it. I guess you got a simple understanding of how a CRM works, what are deal stages, dashboards, and everything. There is a separate section for apps. If you are a marketing team or a sales team, you can check this one out. And yeah, on the last note, if you are still using WhatsApp or sticky notes to manage your leads, it's time to upgrade. Tools like Odoo CRM can sell and really help you save time, reduce stress, and help you grow your real business. If you need any sort of help to set up your inbound and outbound marketing system and looking for a lead gen team, you can check us out at Short Lead Shop. Thank you guys.